Welcome back, ladies and gents, boys and girls. Today I'm teaching you this. Yes! Welcome back to 3 Minute Thursday, where I teach you 3-minute Flair bartending tutorials, step by step. We're releasing one shaker. We're grabbing like this. Make sure the shakers are apart, using your index, middle, pinky and ring. And the bottle is like this. You want to hold it near the base. You're going to throw up that first shaker. You're going to throw it up and you're going to place the bottle here. So you're going to throw, okay? Then you're going to grab hold of the bottle with your middle, ring and pinky finger, all right? Let me show you. Up, grab, catch. Just catch that any way you can for now, but ideally in tennis grip, hopefully. Then you're going to do a swipe. All right, little stabilizer, so a friend of mine called Andy Conson likes to call it. Then you're gonna throw that bottle up and you're gonna switch it with the shaker in your hand and you're gonna learn to snatch that shaker out of the air. So you throw the bottle, switch, throw that shaker up, catch the bottle, snatch the shaker. So practice that snatch a couple of times. Boom, yes. Back to the beginning, bottle on the base, have those two apart, throw the base shaker up, grab, catch. Now, if you do catch it in beer grab, as you swipe, give it half a spin. Now you're in tennis grab. Throw the bottle, switch, snatch. Now from there, you can just readjust the bottle into beer grab in your hand, or you can throw the shakers and change grip over into your other hand in beer grab. It's completely up to you. I think it's easier if you just go 1, 2, pour. So the whole thing goes like this. 1, 2, oh, I did a spin. Oh, that's a little upgrade for you. So if you do want to upgrade it, release, swipe, spin the shaker, switch, pour, all right? Release, swipe, switch, snatch, switch, and come over to Paul. Yes. See if we still got it. Oh, yes. Still got it. Look, it's there. Oh. Well, that was this week's 3 Minute Thursday. Let me know what other moves you'd like to see on 3 Minute Thursday. Are you liking these moves? Do you want to see more working Flair moves, more craft Flair moves, exhibition Flair? What is it? Tell me in the comments. I will jump to it as soon as I can. And until next week, see you then.